that CPI is likely to support Vijay's TVK. This is the information that we are getting for you. Government formation buzz is now intensifying. Top sources have told Times Now that CPI is likely to support Vijay. Final decision is expected around 4:30 p.m. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Shomit for more on this. Shomit, you told us earlier that around 4:30 Vijay is likely to meet the governor, and now you've learned that at 4:30 CPI is likely to make its decision. Clear whether it's going to support TVK or not, but you're getting a sense that it is going ahead and is ready to support TVK.
Well, that's right, Hina. We have just learned from the sources that CPI, since morning, actually, our colleague has got this information that since morning, there was this sense that left parties, including the VCK, are going to extend support likely to the TVK. And now, just now, we have again learned from the sources that everything was discussed in the meeting. At 4:30, they are officially going to announce whether or not they are supporting the TVK. But what we have learned from the sources that, CPI is inclined towards the TVK forming the government here, and they are likely to extend support to the TVK. So already CPI leaders, CPM leaders, and VCK leaders, they have spoken to us, and they stated that TVK should be allowed to form the government because it has emerged as the single largest party in the Tamil Nadu elections. So governor should invite Vijay, and he should be given that opportunity to form the government. So we'll have to wait and see. It's just 1.5 hours from now where CPI will officially announce their decision, and once the CPI announces, CPM and VCK will also follow. So these three pack of the parties, they take decisions together. So it is not like CPI follows another ideology or CPI takes another decision and followed by the VCK. So these three parties, they take decision together, and they will they are likely to extend support back to
So bottom line is that these three smaller parties, CPI, CPIM as well as VCK, they will together, going in one direction. So if one decides to support TVK, then all three, in fact, eventually will be supporting TVK. Stay on with us, Shomit. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Meghna as well. Meghna, new possibilities are now emerging. Can you help us understand the different scenarios that we are looking at?
Absolutely. There are 4 scenarios, but what Shomit said is very interesting. Because as we all know, Vijay is about 10 short of the magic mark. He's got the support of Congress, which has got 5, and then you have, as even Shomit was pointing out, the CPI, the CPIM, and the VCK, all of them are likely to go together en bloc. That makes it 6 MLAs. So what really are the permutation combination takes him past the magic mark. But let's tell you what are the options that we are looking at, Hina, because you're absolutely right. So many combinations, permutations are possible even as we speak. So the current scenario as it stands right now is that TVK has an open support from Congress, which has given it letters of support. So we know that Congress is staunchly in TVK's camp, and together with 107, of course, Vijay managed to win 108, but he contested from 2 seats, which is why he is going to give up on one of the seats. That brings his final number to 107, taking the total, the majority mark also to 117, which as we are showing right now. With Congress's 5, he is merely short of 5. Now, this is what we are looking at. Where is Vijay going to get these 5? The second scenario that we are going to show for you is going to be if the smaller parties do come out and back Vijay, which appears to be happening right now, because sources say that CPIM is more or less convinced they want to go with Vijay. Then CPI is likely to come follow suit, and so would other parties such as, for example, a VCK, a CPI, a Congress. Let's say these 4 parties come together, then you have Vijay forming the government, because he'd be easily able to come up with a shortfall of 10 MLAs. And in addition to these, if you have IUML, DMDK also backing Vijay, IUML has said that they are going to stick by Stalin. We'll have to wait and see if IUML is going to be part of it. If that is happening, in that case, Vijay sails past the majority mark of 117 with 121. That, of course, is the most optimistic scenario. However, things may not pan out. The third scenario that we are going to be showing for you, we are going to show the third scenario here. There you have it on your screens. You have AIADMK. All the MLAs have been herded across to Pondicherry. AIADMK, with the external support of the DMK Plus Alliance, it's got 47 of its own. Then it has PMK as well as AMMK. So total numbers for AIADMK is already 52. With DMK, IUML, VCK, DMDK, CPI and the two left parties essentially sans the Congress, then DMK can contribute 68. So the government will be formed in this scenario by the AIADMK, and the outside support will come from the DMK. Of course, there are two problems. One is the ideological divide that we've seen between the two Dravidian parties all along in their existence. Second, of course, is how would these two actually come together and stay together for the next 5 years? That's going to be the big question. The next scenario that we are going to show for you, there you have it. If TVK agrees to go with the AIADMK, that would be the most stable government, because TVK's Vijay, of course, already has 107. AIADMK would bring with it 47, taking the total to 159. We'll have to wait and see if this scenario happens. But in all the options, this is the most stable scenario for the next 5 years. The fourth one, these are the four scenarios that we are getting for you. The magic mark here is 117. We'll have to, however, wait and see. AIADMK now, Hina, coming out and saying that we are going to give Vijay 48 hours. If he fails to come up with the numbers, then we may just be swooping it.
Well, absolutely. There are some very, very interesting scenarios that you explained to us, Meghna. We'll eventually see what really is going to happen. Thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. But viewers, a lot is happening, in fact, in Tamil Nadu, and almost every few minutes there is a new development that is taking place. The latest update is that at 4:30 this evening, in less than 1.5 hours from now, Vijay is again going to have a meeting with the governor of Tamil Nadu, Rajendra Arlekar. On that, let me quickly go across to my colleague Shamit once again. Shamit, now, one question I want to ask you, and that is whether for this meeting, Vijay has got an invitation from the governor, or is it that, TVK had sought time for Vijay to have a meeting with the governor? I mean, what really has happened?
Well, TVK short time is what, as of now, we have learned from the sources. So governor is yet to, give time, whether, he will be giving what meeting it is. We are yet to get the details on this meet. So as of now, 3 times TVK, 2 times, Vijay, including Vijay. So
Right.
They met the governor.
Right. So you're telling us that it was TVK that sought time from the governor. Stay on with us, Shamit. We have some more breaking inputs coming in. A big